Welcome to the YouTube channel of Montbretia. Students, today I am here with Standard 9 question answers of Chapter 1 Political Science. I have already taught you the first chapter of Political Science. Today I will give you the questions and you have to write those questions along with the answers in your fair copy. You have to make two copies. I have already told you two copies. One copy is for history and political science, and another copy is for economics and geography. So students, now be ready with your pen and copy. First you copy down the questions in your rough copy. Okay, be ready. Your first question is, who was General Augusto Pinochet? Who did he overthrow and with whose help? Who was General Augusto Pinochet? Who did he overthrow and with whose help? Question number 2. Who was elected the President of Chile in 1970? Who was elected the President of Chile in 1970? What steps did he take to help the poor? Who was elected the President of Chile in 1970? What steps did he take to help the poor? Third question. What are the difficulties people face in a non-democratic country? What are the difficulties people face in a non-democratic country? Your question number 4. How did Solidarity come to power in Poland? How did Solidarity come to power in Poland? Question number 5. It is a very general question, common question. You have already studied in Standard 8. What do you mean by universal adult franchise? What do you mean by universal adult franchise? Your sixth question. State two features of democracy. State two features of democracy. Question number 7. State two features of dictatorship. State two features of dictatorship. Question number 8. Elections were held in Salazar's Portugal. Elections were held in Salazar's Portugal. Why should it not be called a democracy? Elections were held in Salazar's Portugal. Why should it not be called a democracy? Question number 9 is definitions you have to write. Question number 9. First definition, define the term. First is solidarity. Number 2, veto. Number 3, referendum. Number 4, coup. Number 5, house arrest. Number 6, censorship. Solidarity, veto, referendum, coup, house arrest, censorship. Once again you see the questions. Who was General Augusto Pinochet? Who did it overthrow and with whose help? Who was elected the President of Chile in 1970? What steps did he take to help the poor? What are the difficulties people face in a non-democratic country? How did Solidarity come to power in Poland? What do you mean by Universal adult franchise. State two features of democracy. State two features of dictatorship. Elections were held in Salazar's Portugal. Why should it not be called a democracy? Define the term solidarity, veto, referendum, coup, house arrest, censorship. Okay, now write these questions in your rough copy first. After that, questions to be written in different color pen, black color pen, answers to be written in blue color pen in your fair copy. Name of the chapter should be mentioned, chapter number should be mentioned. Thank you.